off again. This is...
Okay, buddy.
Hold on, let me get a close-up. So this is the bird we saw. This little guy is a YouTube sensation.
That tries to bite people's heads off.
Apparently.
Well, peck their heads off at least.
I think it's seeing those bugs. I'm going to trap it.
Hi, buddy.
No! Bye-bye! I love you! I love you! I love you! This is like... I lost my bird, bro! Where's my bird?
Over there. I left the stick on the ground. I'm going to go get it.
Go get it, go get it. It's right here. Looking for the lost bird. Oh, I found it! I found it!
You found it? How?
Because it loves us. No.
Oh my God. Okay, I need the flashlight just in case it goes away. Oh my gosh, this little stupid bird. What do I?
It kind of was weird because my neighbors are okay. I found an LED light.
Get on here. Thank you. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, buddy. Come on, let's go.
Look at the shadow.
What are we gonna name him? Cardinal?
I think that might be a robin.
Let's name him.
Let's name him Happy. I don't know. Not like no.
Let's name him Flippin' Pecker.
No, let's name him Runaway John.
No, let's name him Pecker. I like
Pecker. I like Pecker.
Yeah,
It
Pecker.
sounds a little weird.
That's Pecker.
How
He
about
likes to peck people's
how
eyes
about
out.
Lil Pecker?
No, yeah, Lil Pecker.
Lil, like Lil Kev, but Lil Pecker.
No, he's a rapper. He's a little
Yeah.
Pecker.
Lil Pecker.
Someday, we're gonna see this guy again,
One way or another,
and he's gonna have his own Instagram soon.
YouTube channel.
Instagram.
Yeah.
And
Both.
YouTube.
Dude, you look messed up. Okay.
He should have his own.
You look a little messed up today. Dude, let's shoot some baskets. I'm gonna go shoot a basket real quick. This is like our pepper. That almost world. Oh, that was one hand. Now it turned into a trick shot video. Ah!
Thank it in. Oh my God. See that? Okay.
This is the cutest bird. Okay, come on, guys. Drop a like for this little guy, okay?
Oh, he just yawned. Want something to eat? Let's find you something to eat. What do you eat, buddy?
Oh,
Can you
no.
look up- Can you look
No.
up what robins eat? They eat berries. Do they eat chickens?
Keenan, you really think that bird could eat my chicken?
Yeah, I do. I mean, it's pretty buff or fat or whatever you call that belly. Looks bloated.
Little Larimer having some free time today.
Buddy, get down.
It keeps adjusting.
Gonna hurt his eye.
Yeah, turn it on again.
Turn on.
I can't even see the bird. It's okay. You can go away now. That's fine. We've had you for long enough. If you would like, you can run. Aww. Is he? Oh, he might be taking a turn. I see it.
Oh no. Oh no! Don't take a crap. No. Why did you crap?
Guys, I think the spider's back. What are you doing? Oh! I
It
actually
is threatened now.
Dude, I
Look at that
slipped.
guy's face.
Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Here's my friend Keenan. Okay. What's up, guys? And holy crap!
Be legends. Okay, buddy. No, don't go up there.
It's fine. It's a car. Alright. It's okay.
Oh no. Oh no. Go up there.
Yep, go up there. We're gonna go give it to the tree. All right.
The tree of life.
The tree of life. This is the tree of life.
Hey, buddy.
All right, guys. Drop a like and subscribe for this little guy, okay? This guy deserves it. He was lost. He got my chicken coop. We saved him.
Go up there, buddy.
Yeah, I'm proud.
All right, bye, buddy.
I'm proud. Okay, you heal up, and you have a good rest of your months, okay?
Good year.
I love you. Good couple years.
2019, best year. Come on.
Yep, 2019, bro. You got saved. You got
Bye.
saved by some people. All right.
Bye, buddy.
So that's the end of the video. Man, come on. That's just heartwarming.
Lil Pecker.
Lil Pecker, okay?
Lil Pecker.
That's his name. Share this video.
Yeah,
It's
go
awesome.
ahead.
Come on, guys. All right. So, man, see you, man. I love you. And look at that. You know? Look at that. What is that? Huh? You ever seen a moon before? Well, that's what it looks like. So, see you guys. See you on the next one.